Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on the dialer, tap on the three bars icon and go to contacts. Find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. And here scroll all the way down to find the option block numbers. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see right here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now, to enter the blacklist, we have to come back to this section, this home, and then tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner. Tap on the settings. And here go to blocked numbers. And this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here we can simply tap on add a number and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown, so we can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on this switcher right here. And if you wish to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.